Well, this is a special request. This is cabin 11262. This is for one of our subscribers. This is a deluxe balcony. We've already covered the deluxe balcony, but we wanted to come in here and at least show you what the views are here and give you the balcony. It's a little warm this particular moment. Balcony, not too bad. It's a little shallow, but you do have decent width. Okay. Coming out. Great views out the side of the ship. Right, basically in the middle of the ship. And we're going to go ahead and close the balcony and the blind because the sun was beating in there, so it's a little warm. King size bed. There is power, USB only, at the head there. Your table, TV's there, and can swivel over. TV.
He said table.
Did I say table? I said table. There's your table, Valerie. And your sofa. All right. So again, it's just like the other deluxe ocean view that we showed you. You do have a adjoining cabin here, and here's your bathroom. We didn't want to spend too much time because we've actually already covered the deluxe balconies, but here's your cabin. Hope you enjoy it. Ciao.